Lastly, we're going to talk here about the group engagement partner. Now, who is that? This is the person who's a senior level auditor who's ultimately responsible for the overall success and the quality of the audit. This person is going to be responsible for supervising the audit team, providing guidance and direction, and ensuring that the audit adheres to all applicable professional standards. The group engagement partner is also going to be responsible for ensuring that the audit team is adequately staffed and that the audit is completed in a timely and efficient manner. Reference to a group engagement partner. So this person is kind of like the head honcho, person in charge of the whole engagement. Reference in this person's report to the fact that part of the audit was performed by another auditor, also known as a component auditor. Most likely would be a reference to divided responsibility between the auditors who conducted the audits of the components of the overall financial statements. We're going to see here more mention of our component auditor, and these component auditors are going to be those who audit different components of the business, such as auditing cash, auditing a subsidiary, auditing accounts payable. Reference to a component auditor indicates division of responsibility for the audits of the components of the overall financial statements. That's important because who is on deck for which parts of responsibility? Who is responsible for what? Component auditor would not generally be mentioned if the component auditor's portion of the financial statement is immaterial. If you've got a component auditor that's auditing inventory and this company doesn't really have inventory, they're a service-based business, then maybe the inventory is $10,000 and the overall materiality threshold is $1 million. We wouldn't mention this at all. We just would not. It's completely immaterial. The reference in the report is not meant to recognize the qualifications of the other auditor, but simply to divide the responsibility between the two auditors. And lastly, the reference to the component auditor would be made regardless of what type of opinion is expressed by each auditor. Doesn't have to be a modified, doesn't have to be a modified, it can be any type, and we are going to reference the component auditor. That being said, let's wrap it up and move along. Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.